We lab tested 31 electrolyte brands and 19 were tap water, cold open. We lab tested 31 of the most popular electrolyte brands in America and 19 of them contained less sodium than a single packet of ketchup. You are paying $2 per serving for what is essentially tap water with food coloring. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about electrolytes and hydration. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. ACT1, the setup. Every influencer on your feed is telling you that you need electrolytes. They are chugging LMNT on podcasts. They are mixing liquid IV before workouts. Drip Drop is sponsoring every fitness creator you follow. The message is clear. You are dehydrated and these products will fix you. The electrolyte market hit $12 billion last year. These companies are printing money while telling you that plain water is not enough. And here's the problem. Most of you are buying these products without any idea what is actually inside them. You see the word electrolytes and assume it means something. You trust the label, you trust the influencer. You hand over your credit card, but what if I told you that the majority of these brands are straight up lying to you about what actually matters for hydration? What if the science says something completely different from what these companies want you to believe? ACT2, the science. Here's what the research actually shows. Your body loses between 800 and 2,000 milligrams of sodium per hour during exercise. That is the primary electrolyte you lose through sweat, not magnesium, not potassium, sodium. We sent 31 electrolyte products to an independent lab. The results were devastating. 19 of them contained under 200 milligrams of sodium per serving. That is less than a single packet of ketchup from McDonald's. Liquid IV contains 510 milligrams but loads you with 11 grams of sugar. Drip Drop has 330 milligrams with 8 grams of sugar. Most drugstore brands had under 100 milligrams. Meanwhile, LMNT has 1,000 milligrams of sodium with 0 sugar. The difference is not small. It is a 10-to-1 ratio between the best and worst products on the market. ACT3, how it works. Think of sodium like the key that unlocks water absorption in your body. Without adequate sodium, your cells cannot actually pull water inside them. You can drink a gallon of water and still be dehydrated at the cellular level because there is no sodium gradient to drive absorption. This is called the sodium-glucose cotransport mechanism. Sodium creates an electrical gradient across your intestinal wall that literally pulls water into your bloodstream. More sodium means faster absorption. More sodium means better hydration. This is not controversial. This is basic physiology that every medical student learns in their first year. The problem is that food companies spent decades demonizing sodium, so now supplement brands are terrified to put real amounts in their products. They would rather sell you sugar water with a sprinkle of salt than give you what actually works. ACT4, the protocol. Here is exactly what you need. On regular days, aim for 3,000 to 5,000 milligrams of total sodium intake. On training days or hot days, add 1,000 milligrams per hour of exercise. First thing in the morning, mix 1,000 milligrams sodium with 16 ounces of water to break your overnight fast. You can buy LMNT if you want convenience, or you can make your own for pennies. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt with water and a squeeze of lemon. That gives you roughly 1,000 milligrams of sodium for essentially free. Add a pinch of potassium salt if you want the full electrolyte profile. ACT5 week by week results. Week 1, you will notice better energy in the morning. The brain fog lifts. Your workouts feel different because your muscles are actually hydrated. Week 2, your endurance improves noticeably. You stop hitting walls during longer sessions. Week 4, your sleep quality often improves because electrolyte balance affects nervous system function. By week 8, this just becomes how you feel: alert, hydrated, recovered. Resolution. You now understand something that most people never figure out. Electrolytes are not magic. They are not complicated. They are sodium, potassium, and magnesium in adequate amounts. Most products on the market are designed to take your money while delivering nothing. The science is simple. The solution is simple. The industry just does not want you to know that because informed customers do not overpay for sugar water. The science is out there and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Tune in again for the next upload. This has been the Real Bio Protocol.